welcome back to the
Cardello Sisters!
Today we're going to be doing a review on the Nostalgia S'more Maker. We also have a popcorn machine and a snow cone machine from the same company, and we love them.
It's amazing. So it comes with the ingredient tray. It just snaps together. And then the heat maker thingy that makes the s'mores heat up or something. Whatever like that. Yeah. And the thing that kind of blocks it, and wait. Two skewers. We would recommend to use fondue skewers because it's longer and it just works better.
Also, when you turn it on, it does get hot pretty fast, but I would wait 2 to 3 minutes so that the coil gets red, and then it will be easier to roast your marshmallows.
Yep.
So speaking of s'mores and marshmallows, let's make them. So now that we have our graham crackers and chocolate on and our s'mores machine, as you can see, the coil is red. So now it's ready to roast.
I'm so excited.
You don't want to get it too close to the foil because then it will take off and it will burn on it.
Yeah. And also if you somehow touch the coil or the heat source, it might catch on fire.
Yeah.
Because that's happened before.
So if you like your marshmallows
nice
crispy
and burnt, then try to touch the coil or whatever it's called.
I like my marshmallows kind of crispy. Oop. As you can see, it's a little brown right there, just on the end. At least on my spawn.
Yes.
Also, the coil is very little, so there's only a little amount of the heat source to go through, but you can kind of have it over here.
And also, it actually smells.
Yeah.
I don't know what it smells like, but it just smells like
We'll
something.
come back to you when we're ready to try the s'mores. So my marshmallow is done, and this is what it looks like after. As you can see, there's a little burnt pieces on the end from where I accidentally touched the thing or got really close to it. So now I'm going to, it's falling off. And you hold it and pull it and boom, there's your s'more. Your marshmallow also should be hot enough so that it melts the chocolate.
Mine is almost done. I don't like mine too golden brown, but I still like it a little golden brown. So this is perfect for me.
Look at that too. That is a nice s'more. Are you ready to try it, Kai?
Ooh, 1 sec. Mine's a little hot. Gonna be a little hot. 1 sec. Oh God. Mine's going everywhere.
I'm trying it. That is a good s'more.
Yeah, that's delicious.
The
Little bit of chocolate,
marshmallow
little bit of graham cracker.
gets nice and warm just like on a fire and melts the chocolate perfectly. I have no idea what she just said. All right, we'll be right back after we finish this delicious s'mores. This s'mores maker is absolutely amazing and makes such great marshmallows. It's much easier than microwave marshmallows because sometimes that can get melty and just fall over the place and it's super messy. This is much easier.
So I would let it have a minute to heat up and get hotter, whatever the adjective is for heat.
This s'mores maker, I would highly recommend this for anybody who can't have a fire pit or a campfire in the backyard because it's just so easy. And you can find this product on Amazon for 40 bucks. I hope you guys do go check this out because it's absolutely amazing. It makes delicious s'mores. If you guys want to see more review videos, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and go check out all of our other videos. And don't forget that
to
you guys
subscribe, hit the bell button to receive notifications every time we post a new video.
just like this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.
Bye.